so very good. So they are called adverbs. Okay, so they are adverbs. Okay, so what are adverbs? What is an adverb? Based on the examples that we have on the board, how are we going to describe an adverb? Yes, Claire. Okay, so we have here an adverb modifies a verb, just like what we have here. Okay, it also modifies an adjective, just like what we have here, and it also modifies another adverb. So this is an adverb. Okay, once we're talking of an adverb, aside from that, okay, so we have here, aside from the examples that we have here on the board, okay, let us justify, okay, to give you examples of sentences, okay, with adverbs modifying a verb, it's like what we have here, an adjective and another adverb. Okay, John. Okay, can you read the first sentence?
He walks fast.
Okay, he walks fast. John. How do you call the underlined word in the first sentence? Verb. Okay, so what word modifies a verb in the first sentence? Fast. So you have your fast here is our adverb. So this is our verb. Okay, and this is our adverb that modifies your verb. So he walks fast. Second sentence. Okay, come on.
What is my sound?
Okay, one snores soundly. On the second sentence, which is our adverb? Come on. Come again. Our adverb. Soundly. Okay, and which is our verb? Snores. So your soundly modifies snores, which is a verb. Okay. I told you earlier that an adverb can also modify an adjective. Okay. Can you read the third sentence that we have in the word? Is Patrick.
So it's very beautiful.
Okay. Soft is very beautiful. Okay. How beautiful is soft? How beautiful is sound? Very beautiful. Okay. So your very here, modifies your beautiful. Okay. Next, what about on the fourth sentence? Yes.
John and James are noisy.
Okay. John and James are too noisy. How noisy are they? They are too noisy. So your two here modifies your noisy, which is an adjective. And mind you, adverb also modifies another adverb. Okay? So we have the examples. Okay? So let's read the fifth sentence of the part. Yes, Claire. He walks very fast. Claire, which is our verb here? Walks. Okay. So, which are our adverbs on the sentence? We have. How many adverbs do we have? Okay, stand up. We have two adverbs, right? Namely, fast and then very. Okay. So our fast here modifies your verb, right? This one. How does he walk? He walks fast. Next question is, how fast he walks? Okay? So very. So your very here modifies your fast. Okay? And the last sentence that we have on the board. Can you read it? Yes. My kids walk so slow. Okay. So which is our Okay, just like what we have on the board. We have the first one, we have fast. The second one, now. Then, never. Here, very, rare, more, less. Okay, so these are some of the adverbs, okay, which do not end in L1. But they have the same function with those that end with L1. Okay, so with this, okay, how are we going to identify what kind of adverbs? How are we going to call those adverbs that ends in L1? And how are we going to call the adverbs which do not end in L1? Okay, so we now have a sample paragraph here. Okay, let us spot the adverbs in the paragraph. So can you read first the paragraph? Who would like to read it